and solve one or two more problems and see exactly how we could draw. And I did ask you last week that the item that we drew out, that you should go ahead and construct the circle and fix them up. But today, let us see how we can do this together with this question on the board. If you can quickly put them down. It says the distribution of the junior staff in an office is as follows. Clerk, 78 in number. Driver, they are 36. Typists, they are 44. The messengers, they are 52. Others amount to 30. Now, you show this information on a pie chart. Now, with the example of what we did the other time, what you just need to do is to bring these things out one after the other. That's the first step. For instance, we have the clerk, that's 78. You just need to put clerk. They are 78. Now, this 78, first of all, we must be able to identify the total number of staff that we have. We have not been told that this is the total number. So just make sure that you calculate on a rough place to find out the total number of staff we have there. So we can do that quickly by saying 78 plus 36 drivers. This will give me 14. 7, 10 plus 1, 11. Plus 44 typists. 44. This will give me 8, 5, and 1. Plus 52 messengers. 52. This will give me 0, 11 plus 1. That's 2. Then plus 30 others added together. That will give me 0, 4, 2. Making a total of 240 staff in that office. So what we just do, since we have the clerk, all the clerks amounting to 78, it means there are 78 clerks out of the 240 staff. So that will now give us 78 out of 240 staff. And that's what we commonly call 78 over 240. That's just the implication. That is the meaning. Now, we are now having this 78 over 240. Remember, we said when a pie chart is circular. So we are going to draw a circle, and we also reminded us the other time that the circles are measured, the values of angles in a circle, they are measured in degrees. And now, since we have in a circle, a complete circle is made up of a total of 360 degrees. And once you know that, we are going to find what fraction of that this one will amount to. So that's why we have to say 78 over 240 times 360 degrees. That is of a circle over 1. When we do this calculation, usually, as I told you, you do not need a 4-figure table for this. You use a simple calculator. Or where you cannot use a calculator, or you are not allowed to use a calculator, what you just need to do is to make use of a manual calculation. But then, at this point, I want to introduce a calculator to you. For instance, this is how a specimen calculator can look like. When you have a calculator like this, make sure we have different brands in the market. So whatever brand that you feel you can be used to, just get that. For this particular type, what you just need to do is to get the one where the buttons are as simple as possible. So just pick them. When you take a look at the data you have here, we have 378 over 240. To make your large figure to be smaller, you can easily cancel out. For instance, we have this one ending in 0, this one ending in 0. So you now say this